Good afternoon, everyone. It's wonderful to be here, and I feel so honored to have been asked by Rebellion Pilgrims, Harpreet Nanda, to perform some poems. The themes I'm going to cover today are rhythm, community or unity, and revolution. So here's my first poem around rhythm. 80s is called soul music. 80s teen mix. Shalimar, Tina Marie, this is my music. Decorating the living room with mum. Me and my rap, the message. Both close to the edge. Summer's day, cool beats. Low-key blasting in my ears. Me, all grown up now. Thank you. My second poem is entitled Community. No woman, man, or child is an island, and if I land in a place or space that is unfamiliar and I don't feel similar to the people around me, I need community to help me, heal me, walk me through the challenges that throw me. 'Twas ever thus, this coming together, giving up your time because what was yours was mine. Your well-being was my well-being. In lifting you, I lifted me. In healing you, I helped heal me. That's what we called community. When I became we. One hand can't clap and many hands make light work. It takes a village to raise a child. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. Each one can teach one and make it count. It's not just about established entities or constituted charities. Carrying someone shopping, that's volunteering. And words of kindness can be so endearing. It's what you do when no one's looking, with no expectation of recognition. Acts of kindness done for free makes us feel we're a community. Local, national, and especially global, whichever way you look at it, we are one. Whether you're raising money just for fun or saving the life of some unknown one, making a difference in a world that seems to see only difference, your community needs you. To end with, then, a call to action. Before you leave this room, make a decision. Steer your life in a new direction. No woman, man, or child is an island. So when we land in a place or space desperate to find some sanctuary, you welcome us with open arms in the spirit of community. Thank you. I'm going to preface this poem by saying I am a teacher of modern foreign languages. I think this one is called Revolutionary Language. My subject is German, but it's a cover for my revolutionary activities. You see, in between conjugating verbs like sein, machen, and haben, I'm teaching teens to be, do, and have. Emphasizing the importance of mastering word order, I'm schooling them in how to order their words to get results that get results. As I teach them the nuances of the past tense, I set the stage for a future that will hopefully be less fraught. Teaching them that while the language is fixated on whether a thing is masculine, feminine, or neuter, they are under no obligation to address and obsess in the same way. Double checking that no heads are passing, I double down on declensions and subvert the subjunctive, cancelling out the woulda, shoulda, coulda, presenting intention rather than potential regret. I remind them that will is not will, it is want. But if they want will to be want, I get that. But will is a false friend, like bekommen, which is to get, not become. To become is werden, which is also will, in the future. German, simultaneously logical and illogical, like life. Thank you. My last poem has no title, so you can choose it. This time, the revolution will be internalized. The age of mass outrage must give way to new ways of bringing lasting change. Our lives don't matter, so how long will we be gun fodder for trigger-happy upholders of law that has no order? Going within without all the noise is what is needed. Now we know that nothing changes until we do. Knee-jerk taking to the streets lead to the predictively performative hand-wringing and promises to do better. But we all know that the definition of insanity is, this time the revolution will happen in our hearts and minds, where finally we will emancipate ourselves from the mental slavery that has us marching beyond marching sell-by date. Now is the time to sit in radical solitude, hear the wisdom in the silence, feel the movement in the stillness, choose meaningful monologue over desperate dialogue. Let us revolutionize the revolution in a way that no one sees coming. Let us move in silence, keep our aces close to our hearts. Let us retreat to the mountains of our minds instead of taking to the streets. Navigate existential railroads over roads and roads. Let the revolution be internalized. Thank you very much for listening. My name's Laurie Garro, and you can find me on Instagram at Laurie Garro. Thank you very much.